Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hare Krishna. Kartik month Mahatma story, chapter 9. King Prithu said, O great sage Narad, during the fast of Kartik month, you have told to worship the soil of the place where Sri Vishnu resides in the root of Tulsi. Hence, I want to hear the greatness of Sri Tulsi ji. Please tell where and how Tulsi ji was born. Narad ji said, Rajan, now listen carefully to the importance of Tulsi ji and the ancient history of her birth. Once, Devguru Brihaspati and Devraj Indra went towards Mount Kailash to have a view, to have a darshan of Sri Bhole Shankar. Then, to test his devotees, Lord Shankar took the form of a matted Digambar and created an obstacle in the path of both of them. Although he was bright, calm, long armed, and the broad chested, fair complexion, with his huge eyes and matted hair on his head, were sitting like that. However, not recognizing that Lord Shankar, Indra asked him his name and abode, etc., and asked whether Lord Shankar is at his place or has gone somewhere. Lord Shiva, in his ascetic form, did not say anything on this. Indra was proud of being Trilokinath. How could he remain silent under the influence of his ego? He got angry and hit the ascetic and said, Hey, I have asked you something and you do not even answer it. I will strike you with a thunderbolt right now, and then I will see who protects you from this. Having said this, as soon as Indra took the thunderbolt in his hand to kill that matted Digambar, Lord Shiva paralyzed Indra's hand along with the thunderbolt and looked at him with fearful eyes. At that time, it seemed as if that Digambar had become enraged and would burn with the power. Due to the numbness of his arms, Indra became sad as well as very angry. But seeing that matted Digambar lit up, Brihaspati ji bowed down to him, considering him to be Lord Shankar, and prostrated himself and started praising him. Brihaspati started saying to Lord Shankar, O Dinanath, hey Mahadev, you calm down your anger and forgive this crime of Indra. Hearing these words of Brihaspati, Lord Shankar said in a serious voice, How can I stop the anger emanating from my eyes? Then Brihaspati said, Lord, you make your Bhakta Vatsal name meaningful and have mercy on your devotees. You establish your brilliance elsewhere and save Indra. Then Lord Shankar said to Guru Brihaspati, I am very happy with your praise. You have given life to Indra. I believe that the fire in my eyes will no longer torment Indra. Saying this to Brihaspati, Lord Shiva took the fiery light taken out from his head in his hands and then threw it into the milky ocean, after which Lord Shankar disappeared. In this way, after knowing whatever one wanted to know, Indra and Brihaspati went to their respective places. Kartik month Mahatmya story chapter 9 is completed. श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा।